Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your sound settings back to default on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or a tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile. And then underneath system, you want to select sound. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says app volume and device preferences. Go ahead and select that. And then where it says reset to the Microsoft recommended default sound here, select reset. And it should say your system has been reset to recommended defaults. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.